Welcome to another video. So today we're gonna play Baby in Yellow. So it's been a while since I have made the video. I think it's been like some weeks since. But today I'm gonna play Baby in Yellow. So I'm gonna try to play it. It's been like 2 years since I played it, so I'm gonna try. I don't know how long. Okay, so now we're starting. Okay. Whoa, that Christmas tree scared me. So get bottle from the fridge. Here's the kitchen. I remember where the kitchen is. Take a bottle, give bottle to the baby. Ew, you're a nasty baby. Are you pooping out of your pants or what are you doing? First thing, why are you laying like that? And second thing, why are you there? Why did you just sit up? Like, you can fall from there. Where's the baby? Like, how did it teleport? I'm sorry. Put baby to sleep. Okay. Cut. Okay, close the door. Okay. The prince and the cats. Okay. Let's go across across the shore in the distant lands, with dark stars overhead. The prince was fast asleep until a cat jumped on its bed. I found a secret garden, said the cat with much delight. Excitedly they ran outside, exploring the night. They walked through the golden garden gate, looked at the pretty trees. They walked along the pretty pebble path, looked at the colorful flowers. They walked past the fabulous flowing mountain, looked at the dancing water. Look. Okay. But the prince didn't like the garden and started kicking down the trees. He dug up flowers, grabbed the hedges, and pulled off all the leaves. He ruined everything for fun. The cat was on in fear. What a mistake I made! The cat cried out. I should never brought him here. Okay, now I can get out of here. Okay, with her parents. Okay. Where's the baby crying? Hide. What did the cat say? Hide. Okay, baby, chill. How did you just open the door and teleported downstairs again? Like, why, baby? Why? Can't you just go to sleep? Go to sleep. Go to sleep, okay? Yeah, I'm trying to be nice to you. Can you just go to sleep? Alright? I'm sorry. Hurt your head. Only making closer. Who did just open the door? Okay. I'm gonna sit and chill and wait for the parents. Okay, guys, now it's night 2. The child's laughing. Look, isn't it funny to see there? I told you not to do that, so maybe today it will be more crazier, I don't know. So, proceed to start. I'm gonna start this. Okay. The baby. Why are you watching the adventure of the very scared baby? No, you don't watch that. Sit down here. Okay. No, you better stop running. Why not you? Why? Oh, you better not. You actually need to go to school, alright? Hey, I was trying to read and you just continue reading. Through dark corridors and chaser hop of relentless futile flight hop round and round inside the place in and out of is inside. Pop, pop, pop. The prince secretly kept her with her. His heart was filled with fear. The rabbit slipped back out the door and vanished down the path. The prince cried out, I need new friends, more. Now, another. Oh, bring me some, don't worry now, replied his loving mother. If you don't sleep now, said the prince. Why the rabbit very nothing? That happens a lot. Bedroom looks really like a steel. What's a door, bro? How did I just get there? Fell asleep. Night 3, the cedar. Good night, sweet dreams, the child. I will show you my dreams. Oh, that's kind of creepy. Not gonna lie. Like if the baby dreams something bad, like. What? Albert open? No, thank you. Wait, what? I think that I was the one who opened it. So, what? TV on the sofa. Oh, that jump scared me. Perhaps cheesy toast. Oh, no, it's gonna be the creepy scene. I hate it. Where's the toast? Where did the toast go? What? Is it this? I think I need to make a toast. Where's the bread? The bread. Now I need the cheese on top of here. I want some tomato on my toast. And I want ham. Take that. Toast. On the fridge here. Oh, why you monster? Where? How do I? I hate mazes. I just say it. Like, mazes just always like creeps me out. I'm just going to go back to where I was. Where's the freedom? I just want the freedom. Bruh. Can I just come through? What happened to your eyes? And guys, what happened to his eyes? What in the world? He's not jumping at me. And he has a... I hate you, baby. He jump scared me. It's the immersion class activity. Oh, bruh. How do I get through here? Ouch. Ouch. Oh, I hate you. Is it done? Now there's just a huge mess around here. Is that a poop? No, the... That's creepy. That's actually creepy. Let me take the clock itself. I'm scared. The sheep. This is scary. I don't want to read now. Good night. Well, good night to you too. Okay, guys, we're also gonna do a part of Act 2, and the next video I'm gonna do the rest of Act 2, Act 3, and Act 4. So, and that's gonna be a longer video. So, okay, let's get started.
The gold standard in babysitting. You have one new client message. Oh, hello, it's Casilda from apartment 10. Oh, thank you for the last sitter. They went down a treat. I'm off to a concert tonight. Could someone pop over and check in on my little prince? I'm sorry it's so last minute. Take care. Thanks.
Okay, enter the apartment. Where's the baby? He's probably upstairs trying to scare me again from the last act. Like, it's just like so messy. Why is it funny just running? Found the white rabbit. did. Then it do. Okay, but well, that was easy. Guys, now is Pigman's menace. Quickly towards the exit, the tiny rabbit hut. Okay. Okay, so the rabbit's still here. Again. Where did the bunny go? Where did the bunny go? Baby. Why? Where did the baby go? And why am I I don't know. Where's the baby? Wash my hands. I see you, baby. When are you gonna stop? Investigate the apartment. What is this? Well, I think I have to find like parts. I can just place them. Where do I need to put this? Piano music. I think I have to take it to the piano. Okay, that's not. I need to find music things. I saw it there, baby. Music. Okay, I need to find one more. Tell me in the comments if you have seen the last part of. Yeah. I see you there. Can you just stop following me every time? Why is it just a random worm in your fridge? 1 billion hours later. Oh, here's the last piece finally. Okay, now I can play. Why is the baby just staring at me like that? The secret switch. What? Need to break through with this. Oh, bruh, that was dumb of me. Okay, that was also dumb of me. Pick up nut. What does that have to do with hammer? That's. I need to break. Well, if I crouch, I can fit through. Why do I walk so slow? That means I'm gonna get jump scared. Oh, bruh, baby, why? Take the key and unlock the door. Oh yeah, the door where the rabbit was. That was blocked. Wait, where? Okay. Where is the door where the bunny locked? Oh, here it is. Finally. Okay, guys, I'm back. Call elevator. Bruh. The power's out. How do I need to fix it? How am I gonna fix it? Fix it. What is that sound? There's a baby in here. Maybe I need to go in here. Okay, now. Okay. Bruh. Okay, guys, I think that will be the end of part 1. And I'll see you guys in another video. I'm out. Peace.